Is your 2021 Tesla Model 3 not charging? This section explores common charging issues affecting these vehicles as of late 2025. Connectivity problems with Level 2 home chargers are frequent, often due to firmware mismatches or Wi-Fi issues. At non-Tesla CCS stations, charger not recognized errors occur from incompatible protocols. Superchargers face downtime from grid overloads, with queuing bugs adding to the frustration. Tesla's V12.5.1 update from late 2024 addressed many bugs, improving error diagnostics and reducing issues. Understanding these causes is crucial before exploring fixes and preventative measures in the following sections. The Tesla Model 3 uses specific connectors for different types of charging. For DC fast charging at Superchargers, it uses the CCS Combo 2 connector. For AC charging at home or public stations, it uses the J1772 connector. There are three main charging levels for electric vehicles. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt household outlet and provides about 4 miles of range per hour. Level 2 uses 240 volts and can charge up to 30 miles per hour at home or public stations. DC fast charging at Superchargers is the fastest, adding over 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Common error codes you might encounter include charge port door open, which indicates a mechanical issue with the port door. Charging unavailable suggests a software or hardware fault. No power detected usually means there's an issue with the cabling or the charging station itself. The Tesla app allows remote start and stop of home charging sessions. Superchargers use RFID or NFC authentication for quick access. Remember that charging is a three-way communication process between the vehicle, the charger, and the electrical grid. All three components need to work together properly for successful charging. Before trying more complex solutions, start with the basics. First, inspect your charging connectors for any debris, dirt, or physical damage. Look at both the vehicle's charge port and the cable connector. If you see any buildup, gently clean it with a dry, soft cloth. This simple check can resolve many charging issues caused by poor connections. Next, perform a charge port reset through the Tesla touchscreen. Navigate to the service menu, select Powertrain, then Charge Port, and choose Reset. This action clears any temporary software glitches or communication errors that might prevent charging. It's a quick fix that often resolves issues without needing professional help. Finally, check for and install any available software updates. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address charging issues, improve efficiency, and fix glitches. You can do this through the touchscreen in the software section or via the Tesla app. Outdated firmware is a common cause of charging problems, so keeping your vehicle updated is crucial. Home charging issues are common with the 2021 Tesla Model 3. Most home setups use Level 2 charging, which provides faster charging than standard outlets but slower than DC fast charging. First, check your wall connector's Wi-Fi connectivity. Intermittent connectivity is a common problem that can prevent charging. Open the Tesla app and verify the wall connector is properly connected to your home Wi-Fi network. If using a third-party Level 2 charger, ensure it's compatible with your Model 3 and that its firmware is up to date. Firmware mismatches can cause charging failures or charger not recognized errors. Consider using Tesla's integrated wall connector for improved reliability. Tesla's official hardware has better integration with your vehicle's software and receives priority updates, reducing compatibility issues. If you see a no power error, check the breaker in your electrical panel and inspect the cabling to the charger itself. Faulty wiring or tripped breakers are common causes that can be resolved with basic electrical checks. Public charging at non-Tesla CCS stations can be challenging due to incompatible software protocols between the vehicle and charger systems. If you encounter a charger not recognized error, this indicates the station's software doesn't properly communicate with your Tesla Model 3. As a first step, try unplugging and attempting to charge at a different public station to see if the issue is station-specific. CCS2 adapters can bridge compatibility gaps, but only use high-quality adapters from reputable brands like Juicebox to avoid further problems. While Tesla has formed partnerships with non-Tesla networks to improve compatibility, some protocol issues still occur in certain locations. If other solutions fail, Perform a manual charge port reset through the vehicle's touchscreen, though this is not always effective. Superchargers can experience downtime due to grid overloads and queuing bugs. If a supercharger is unavailable, check the Tesla app for alternative locations. The V12.5.1 update addressed some queuing issues, but phantom queues can still occur. If you're stuck in a queue, try restarting your Tesla. High-demand sites are prone to these issues, so plan accordingly. In 2025, Tesla recalled some 2021 Model 3 units for faulty charge port sensors. If you haven't already, check if your vehicle is affected and schedule a free repair at a Tesla service center. Post-recall, users have reported improved charge port auto-locking, preventing ingress-related errors. Addressing this hardware issue is critical for reliable charging. EV charging is evolving rapidly. Wireless charging is emerging, and Tesla is currently piloting it in select markets, projected to reach 20% of new installations by 2027, eliminating many plug-in errors. AI diagnostics are becoming more common, with Tesla's app now using machine learning to preemptively alert users to potential charging failures based on usage patterns. This predictive maintenance is expected to reduce errors significantly. Experts from sources like Edmunds and Consumer Reports recommend proactively monitoring the Tesla app and avoiding off-brand accessories. In a 2025 survey, 65% of owners experienced charging errors, down from 75% the previous year due to better firmware. Stay updated with Tesla's software updates to ensure optimal charging performance. Regular updates and maintenance will minimize charging issues, with Tesla leading in supercharger reliability at 99.5% uptime. By 2030, expect near-universal interoperability and renewable-powered charging.